welcome back to another video. I'm Louise and this is Leo, my beautiful assistance dog. And I can tell you right now, I am so tired. I didn't sleep very well last night, but it's gonna be a rough one today. Anyway, let's get into it.
On days that my fatigue and chronic pain are especially bad, I like to sit outside in the sun. Something about the warmth of the sun and listening to the sounds of the wind and the birds helps me wake up a bit. Okay, so I'm just starting my second week of uni classes for the year. I've got a lecture to watch and I've got a reading to do and I've got a quiz due at the end of the week. So I think I'm going to get started on those things today. I've got a tutorial tomorrow, but that's tomorrow. So I just got finished. Oh my god. So I just got finished with the lecture and I'm gonna have a break and have some lunch. I ended up deciding to make dumplings and wontons for lunch with some mince that I had made up earlier. Something that I appreciate now that I'm not living in student accommodation is just being able to use a full-sized kitchen. I didn't have an oven or very much bench space, so when I visit my parents, I love to do a bit of cooking. In the last few months, I've developed some skin sensitivities. It gets frustrating having to take on another symptom or health issue, and sometimes it feels like your body just can't do anything properly. I've been trying to think of these moments as just adding to my self-care routine, but I'd be lying if I said it wasn't frustrating. Okay, so I'm feeling a little bit better than I was yesterday. I was very fatigued yesterday. and I don't have too much uni work to do, which is fun. So I thought I would make a bandana for Leo out of this fun shark fabric. So let's do it. Okay, so I just finished the bandana and we're gonna try it on Leo. So Leo has been staying with my parents while he has been recovering from an injury he got at the end of last year. I have been visiting my parents as often as I can, but it's still sad to have to leave Leo and go back home. At the moment, that's what's working best for our situation, but I'm hoping that Leo can come and stay with me again soon. The first thing that I do when I get home is open the windows and blinds to let in the light and some fresh air. Okay, well I think I'm going to end the video there, so I hope you have a good day and I will see you next time. Bye!